Weebly online store tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a store on Weebly. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So when you first come over here onto their website, this is how it's going to look like. You just simply search for Weebly and this will pop up. You could either go here or you can just simply click on create a website with Weebly directly and move over here. And once you're over here, you can just simply click on start for free. There is a pricing plan, however, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. So over here, as you can see, they have a free plan, which is like basic use. And in that you get free SSL, 500 gigabytes of storage, domain with Weebly branding, and it's completely free. And you also get search engine optimization, lead capture, community forums and chat and emails and stuff like that. And then you have connect, where you can connect a domain, and for that you will have to pay $10 per month. You can only connect a domain, you don't get any extra features. As you can see, you just connect a domain. Then you have Pro, which you will pay $12 per month and you will get free domain value up to $20 and a Google Ads account with a $100 credit. And you can connect a custom domain, remove Weebly ads and site search. You will have shopping carts. You can accept payment through Square and accept payment through third-party providers, search engine optimizations, advanced site stats as well. You get phone support. And then you have the business plan, which is going to be $25 per month. In it, you also get all of the features from the Pro plan, but you also get all these stuff as well, where you have item badges, item options, inventory management, automatic tax calculator, coupon codes, Square gift cards, item reviewer, shipping calculator, integrated shipping labels, and good shipping discounts as well. You get pop-up notifications, e-commerce statistics, and all of the other customer care. Now this is for websites only, and then for online store you have different plans. As you can see over here, the cost is going to be different, but for websites it's free, so let's go with the free account for now. So the sign up process is very simple. You just enter in your first name, last name, your email address, you confirm it, you enter in your password, and you enter in your location, and you are good to go. Now next, you basically choose whether you want a website or you want an online store. Depends on you. So since this video is about online store, we're going to choose online store. And over here, you enter in the name of your store. So we're going to enter in this name and click on continue. And are you currently sending any items? Yes, I am currently selling. No, I'm not selling. I'm trying out Weebly. I'll just say, no, I'm not selling. No problem. When are you planning to start? I'll say 3 to 6 months. And it is going to be clothing and shoes. Yeah, clothing and shoes, and maybe jewelry and accessory. And that's it. Click on next. What is the address of your store? And after that, you are good to go, and it will take you and redirect you to the dashboard where you can start, adding your details. So right now, as you can see, this is how it looks like. My store is currently 0. You have to design a website, add an item, set up a domain, connect a payment gateway, set up a shipping rate, and collect taxes as well, and then publish your website, and then you are good to go. So first things first, let's go ahead and design our website. We'll click on design now to actually design the website. So now we pick a style for our website. So you could go with different colors. You could go with the simple, color, the classic, the black and white right here, or black and red. You could go with a little bit bolder color, such as mint color or a yellowish color. You could choose any of these colors you want, whichever one you like. I feel like this black one is really good. And even this blue one, actually this one is perfect. We're going to choose this color right here. Yeah, this one is perfect. So over here, this is giving us a preview, so we can see the preview over here. So let's go ahead and click on customize to customize our website. So we chose this style, looks really good. We have the color palette over here. We can add an image for our logo. We can change the shape of the buttons and the fonts as well. Let's go ahead and change the fonts because I don't like the fonts. Let's go ahead and find a font. There was a Lexima, I think, or what was the name? I'm not sure. It's not here. Let me actually search for it. Can I search for it? No, I cannot. This one also looks pretty cool, so we're going to select that actually. Yeah, we're going to keep that. And also we're going to change the font to Pill. Pill looks much better. Yeah. And we can also add a logo for our image or for our business. So let's go ahead and drag in or upload one over here. So I'll just upload this one for now, since this is the only one I have, and click on done. It does not match my logo or my website or the branding or the color tone, but it does look good. And once you're done that, you can click on done, and that's how you stylize your website. Now let's go ahead and edit our website entirely. So over here, you will have your main option. So you have the header option right here, as you can see, and you can edit it over here. You have the main banner, the email, newsletter, and you have the footer and footer branding as well. And in between, you can add a new section as well by clicking on add section over here. And you can add featured items, featured category, donations, membership, or Instagram feed, or text, videos, or whatever. So first things first, we're going to click on featured items, and we're going to choose what type of flow we want. So we want this, pill type, we want this carousel, or we want this detailed with the image over here and the details over here, or do we want something like this? I personally like this one. It looks pretty cool. So we're going to select this, and then we're going to click on done. I think I changed it. Let me just delete this section and add it again. Let's go ahead and add a feature. There we go. Click on done. And now we can go ahead and click on done and create an item as well, but we'll do that later. For now, let's go ahead and finish editing our website. And then down below, we want to also add another section where we can showcase our product, like a video or image gallery, or we can send a about section or a customer testimonial. Depends on us. But I feel like maybe we should actually move the email newsletter down here like this. We have the main banner here, featured items, and we have the newsletter, and then we have the footer, right? Now let's go ahead and add another section where we talk about our brand. We're going to go with about section. We go with something like this, or like this. I feel like something like this would be much better, or maybe like this. Yeah, this one looks much better. And we'll click on done, and we can stylize it as well. We can add the title, we can select the paragraph, we can add a button as well if we want to. We can add it all caps, secondary button if we want, layout and colors and background. But I think it looks pretty good. We can disable the image or not. We can add a tagline if we want to. It looks cool. I'll add that, and then we'll click on done. There you go. We have an about section. About section should be above the email. So something like this, products, and about section, then email. We're also missing one more section. Let's go ahead and add one more section, text and image, or image gallery. This one actually looks much better. We could go with a carousel type of view right here. So let's go with this. Yeah, click on done. And over here we can choose images, and we can choose content. We can even add selection title or selection description. We can customize it over here. We can add the, layout. We can even change the overall, colors of this section as well. But I think we'll go with the default. Yeah. Next, we'll click on done. We can choose images if we want to. We can upload over here. We have our free images over here. Instagrams are going to be over here. Let's go ahead and add like free images. We'll go add this one. We'll add this one, this one. We'll even add this, and we'll add this, like just random images. Let's go ahead and this and that. Yeah, let's go ahead and click on done. So this is how it would look like. Looks pretty cool. Looks pretty nice. Yeah, we'll keep it at that, and we'll click on done. Now, it looks pretty nice. Now all that's left for us to do is to add our, images. So over here, we want to select the image as well. Let's go ahead and add the image itself. Let's go ahead and add an image right here. What type of image do we want? We can add this one right here. Looks pretty cool. There you go. Nice. Then we'll click on done. So it looks pretty nice. This section should be down here underneath image gallery. There you go. Nice. Now let's go ahead and add some products. So let's go ahead and click on save or publish, whatever. Let's go ahead and publish it for now. We'll use the Weebly domain. There you go. Our site has been published. We'll click on save. And now we can exit it as well. Let's go ahead and exit the editor. And over here, we click on items, and we click on site category or site items. Let's go ahead and click on site items for now. We can even select categories, but for now we'll click on site items. And we can add different items over here. So we can import a list or create a new list altogether. Let's go ahead and create a new list. So there you go. I just added some demo products, and pretty simple. We can even add categories over here. You can add like a category, let's say jackets over here, and we can choose item as well. You can choose your items. They're all fit into this category. We'll just simply click on done. There you go. You can add an image as well. We'll click on the image, and we'll choose this image right here. There you go. And pretty simple. Yeah. Then we save. And there you go, you have a category as well. Now what you can do is when you go onto the edit site section, you can actually add their products in the featured section over here. Let's go ahead and choose 6 products. We don't have any 6 products, we'll have 3, so I don't know if it will work, but yeah, let's go with add 6 products. Sure, we'll add 6 products as well. We'll go with jacket 4. This price is going to be 20. Jacket. There you go, I added 2 more, and then we'll just simply click on save, and now we will have our products right here. So as you can see, looks pretty nice, looks pretty cool. The image could have been better, but yeah, generally speaking, this is how it will look like once it's ready. You know, this is of course not the best one, but you generally get the idea of how easy it is, right? You add some stuff, you choose your coloring, you add the logo, you add your products, and boom, you have a site. So this is how you use Weebly. This is how you create a free website or free online store on weebly.com. Then you just simply click on publish and you enter in your domain name, and boom, you're good to go. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.